Anti-static PVC flooring tiles are an essential investment for environments that require the control of electrostatic discharge, (ESD). They not only protect sensitive equipment but also contribute to the overall safety and functionality of the space. Here's how to extend the durability of your ESD control flooring tiles. 1. Regular cleaning. One of the simplest ways to extend the lifespan of static control flooring is through regular cleaning. Regular sweeping or vacuuming, followed by wet mopping with a gentle, pH-neutral cleaner, will help maintain the floor's appearance and functionality. 2. Avoid excessive moisture. Excess moisture can compromise the performance of anti-static vinyl flooring. When cleaning, make sure the ESD control flooring is dried properly after mopping to prevent moisture from penetrating the tiles or the subfloor beneath. 3. Proper installation. To ensure the longevity of your anti-static flooring tiles, proper installation is crucial. A poorly installed floor can lead to issues like warping, lifting, or gaps, all of which can reduce the effectiveness of the flooring and cause wear over time. 4. Regular inspections and maintenance. Performing routine inspections will help identify any early signs of wear, damage, or loss of conductivity. If ESD flooring tiles become loose or cracked, they should be repaired or replaced promptly to avoid further damage. 5. Avoid heavy abrasive traffic. Heavy machinery or equipment can cause excessive wear on ESD vinyl flooring. To minimize damage, avoid dragging heavy objects across the floor, and use protective mats in areas where machinery or high-traffic carts are regularly moved.